is the Persons with Disability Act 2008, which came into force on July 2008. And this act is the first legislation for persons with disabilities in Malaysia. It is also the first rights-based legislation based on the Convention on the Rights of PWDs. And it aims to promote, protect and ensure the full and equal employment of all human rights by persons with disabilities. So hopefully with this act, PWDs will be able to enjoy better access to public transportation, amenities, equal opportunities to health, education, employment, technology, information, and sports, leisure and cultural life as well. And all this cannot be done without the this is not to be taken solely by the Department of Social Welfare, because these are all cross-cutting issues and it has to be undertaken through a multi-sectoral collaboration to be shared by all relevant ministries, non-governmental organizations, private sector and also the general public. And with this act, dengan akta untuk orang kurupaya ini juga telah diperuntukkan penubuhan Jabatan Pembangunan OKU, a special department for the development of PWDs, dan jabatan ini telah pun mula beroperasi pada bulan Mei tahun ini. Dan diharapkan Jabatan Pembangunan OKU ini akan dapat memainkan peranan yang lebih berkesan dalam menentukan yang pembangunan OKU ini dapat kita pertingkatkan dari masa ke semasa. Dan di samping itu juga kita pun telah ada the National Policy for PWDs and the National Plan of Action for PWDs, ya, dasar untuk orang kurupaya dan juga pelan tindakan untuk orang kurupaya, yang mana menetapkan strategi, program dan aktiviti yang perlu diambil tindakan ataupun dilaksanakan oleh pelbagai kementerian-kementerian yang berkaitan. Dan buat masa ini isu-isu ataupun priority areas yang dilihatkan buat masa ini adalah dari segi accessibility, accessibility sama ada dari peringkat dari aspek pengangkutan ataupun dari aspek barrier free dalam bagi bangunan-bangunan dan sebagainya, dan juga dari aspek pendidikan dan juga pekerjaan, kerana perkara-perkara ini accessibility, pendidikan, pekerjaan, ini semua ada kesan yang sangat kesan yang itu mendalamlah kepada pembangunan OKU, because kalau mereka tidak mempunyai akses kepada untuk nak pergi kerja, untuk nak tengok wayang ke, untuk nak berkelah ke dan sebagainya, so ini ada kesannya kepada kehidupan OKU dan juga keluarga. So perkara ini sedang kita ambil tindakan, dan kita harapkan melalui majlis OKU yang ditubuhkan di bawah akta OKU itu akan dapat menentukan yang isu-isu ni akan dapat kita selesaikan dan kita dapat laksanakan. Dan ahli-ahli dalam majlis ini termasuklah macam Cik Stephen from Taiping. He's a member of the council for PWDs is made up of okay, Stephen, 10 members of the from the government sector and another 10 and another 10 representing the various categories of disability. So we have the OKUs themselves involved as members of the council, and this is a very important council that will spearhead any policy, any changes or any enforcement with regards to the act. Okay, so so each and every one of us as members of society have a role to play, especially we as parents, Therefore, it is time for us to come together and take steps to ensure that the full and effective participation of persons with disabilities into society, and as all of us, NGOs, government agencies, parents, families of children with special needs, must also play a role in changing the mindset and perception on disability and dismantling the physical and social barriers that exist in our society. I think the main thing is the mental barrier or the attitude or the prejudices that we have in society on disability. The outcome of this family conference, as mentioned by Mr. Alvin Teo, is the network of family support groups can be a potent force and a united voice advocating on the rights of PWDs, and we hope that the Department of Social Welfare will be able to work in close collaboration with this family network, and we will provide whatever assistance and help that we can in helping the family network. In fact, I think we may have to facilitate in terms of ensuring that other family support groups in other states can also come in together and become really, coordinated and one family network that the government can work with in that sense. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I would once again like to thank and congratulate the organizing committee of Family Conference 209 and all those involved in making the conference a huge success. And I think this conference is the start of a journey towards enhancing the well-being of PWDs to enable them to enjoy equal rights and full participation. With that, I thank you and Assalamualaikum.
We will present her with a token of our appreciation.
Early Childhood Intervention Conference 2010. We have already started planning. I'm the chairman of the organizing committee. We were bullied pressured into organizing the third one. The second one was in Kota Kinabalu, first one in Penang itself. The third one will be in Malacca, and it's probably scheduled to be sometime around World Disability Day. So it's going to be about covering the first few days of December 2010. So in between, while you take a break from your family conference, we hope you will plan to come. The focus is very much on early childhood care and education. We've invited some of the key people are here, people like Aina is involved. So we're focusing on inclusivity. We have Dr. Amar here. On medical issues, he's heading the subcommittee. I'm looking into the early childhood intervention and care part. So it's going to be a big, major one. Some of you have been, and you know, Dr. Mimi herself was invited last year in Kota Kinabalu. She sent apologies, but a representative was there to present a paper on her behalf. So we work together. UNICEF has already been working very much with us, giving us some grants. We work with the Ministry of Education, Bahagian Pendidikan Khas, and also with the Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat as well, and the Ministry of Education. So we hope you will all plan to come December 1st week 2010. Okay, thank you.